Here are a few different solutions to reset GPS settings in Android, or how you can fix GPS signal lost on Android. So the first solution is restart location services. Simply swipe down quick settings. In here, find out the location service. Turn off location and wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. And then go ahead and check your GPS problem solved or not. And the second solution is enable high accuracy mode. Open your settings. In settings, scroll down and open location settings. In here, tap on location services and tap on location accuracy and turn on improve location accuracy from here. And then go ahead and check your problem solved or not. And the third method is reset GPS or network settings. Open your settings app, scroll down, tap on general management, tap on reset. First of all, tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap on reset settings. After resetting your mobile network, then tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After doing this will refresh location related services. And the next solution is clear Google Map cache file. So from your app library, you have to find out the Google Map app. Long press on Maps. Tap this eye icon to open app info page. In here, you have to tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. After doing this, tap on clear data. Tap on delete. And now again go ahead and check your GPS related issues solved or not. And the next solution is disable battery saver. Battery saving modes can weaken GPS, so just go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on battery, turn off battery or power saving mode, and then go ahead and check your GPS working or not. And the last and final solution, give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your Android phone can fix this kind of glitches. Thanks for watching.